What's a jailbreak? If you can't read a simple guide, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you how to install Odysseyra1n, aka the best jailbreak if you have an iPhone 10 or older. It's got all the benefits of Checkmate and none of the downsides of Checkra1n and Alcabradas, replacing them instead with libhooker and based precursors. So that's all good, but what do you need? First off, a brain, very important. Next, you're going to need a 1GB or larger flash drive, a computer with an Intel processor, a USB-A to Lightning cable that's preferably an Apple original, and an internet connection. The first thing we're going to do is download two files, an Odysseyra1n ISO from the GitHub link in the description, and a program called Rufus that'll put the ISO image onto the USB, also linked in the description. Once those are both downloaded, we can plug our flash drive into our computer. Next, we're going to open up Rufus and actually write the Odysseyra1n ISO onto the flash drive by selecting the ISO and pressing start. When prompted, you'll need to pick DD mode. Once it's all done, you'll need to reboot and open up your UEFI BIOS. For this video, I'll be using a Lenovo ThinkPad, but for specific instructions for your computer, you'll have to use your brain or a search engine. The specific things you're going to need to look for are Secure Boot and your boot devices. As I already have Secure Boot disabled, I don't need to touch that setting, I just need to reboot and select the USB in the boot device menu, and then I get the Odysseyra1n menu. From here, there are two paths for getting Odysseyra1n running, either using Odysseyra1n entirely, or the easier way via shortcut, a link in the description for iOS 13 and 14 users. In this video, I'll show the shortcut method since that's easier and most people will be on 13 or 14. But first, we'll need to actually run the jailbreak with Checkra1n. Every time your phone reboots or powers off, you'll need to redo this part and only this part. Using the arrow keys, select the Checkra1n option and press enter. This is a good time to plug your iOS device in. Once there, you'll need to go into options. If you're using an iPhone 8 or 10, you'll need to enable skip A11 BPR check, and if you're on iOS 14.6 or the 14.7 betas, you'll need to enable untested versions, as we're recording this video with the latest Checkra1n. If you don't meet those criteria, you have nothing to touch. Navigate back out and select Start and follow the prompts to get your device jailbroken with Checkra1n. As mentioned earlier, we'll have to do this every time your device reboots or shuts down. Anyway, once the device is booted, we can get to installing Odysseyra1n itself. An important thing to note here is that you should only use the Checkra1n Loader app to restore system, and never to install Cydia. If you wish to install Cydia for some reason, you can do so via Sleo after we're up and running. The method I'll be showing is via a shortcut made by a couple cool people which can run on iOS 13 and 14. To start off, you'll need the Shortcuts app installed, and make sure you've run at least one shortcut on your device. This will let you go into settings and enable untrusted shortcuts so that you can run the Odysseyra1n shortcut. This will take a little while, but it should have a pop-up once you're done. In my case, it didn't, but Sleo still appeared so we can continue to the last step. Open up Sleo and go to the Packages tab. You'll have a bunch of updates to install, which you should install right now by tapping Upgrade All. You can also queue libhooker and libhooker configurator now, or after you've installed the essential updates. In this video, I've opted to do the latter because I'm lazy. Once everything finishes installing, you're done. Well, congratulations. By getting to the end of this video, you've proven that you can follow basic instructions and now have a jailbroken device. Don't pirate tweaks or I'll be very sad. And as always, if you need another support, the Jailbreak subreddit and its Discord are places where you can ask questions. Another helpful resource is this channel, assuming I actually make more content. And since this is a YouTube video, I am legally obligated to say, thanks for watching, don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe, and since only one percentage that is slightly larger than the other subscribed or something, subscribe. Bye bye.